Ever wondered why planets look like perfect marbles floating in space? Why they're not cubes, spikes, or misshapen blobs? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, they're all almost perfectly round. But how? And more importantly, why? Today on Lies and Legends, we uncover the top 5 reasons why planets are almost perfect spheres, and how this cosmic shape reveals secrets about gravity, time, and even the birth of our universe. 4 or 5. Gravity pulls everything toward the center. The moment a planet begins to form, gravity takes over. This invisible force pulls matter equally in all directions toward the planet's core. The most balanced shape for this inward pull? A sphere. Over millions of years, gravity molds a planet like clay, pulling mountains down, smoothing the surface, and creating the rounded shape we see from space. It's not magic, it's pure physics. 4. Only big objects get this round. Not everything in space is a sphere. Small asteroids and comets are often jagged or potato-shaped. Why? Because they're too small for their own gravity to shape them. Planets, on the other hand, are so massive that gravity becomes strong enough to overcome their material's rigidity. Once something reaches about 600 kilometers in diameter, roughly the size of a large moon, gravity starts to win the shape war. 3. Rotation makes them slightly squashed. Planets aren't perfectly round. They're slightly flattened at the poles. This is because they spin. As a planet rotates, centrifugal force pushes out at the equator. This is why Earth is technically an oblate spheroid, not a perfect ball. The faster a planet spins, the more dramatic the bulge. Saturn, for example, spins so fast it bulges visibly at the equator. Still, to the naked eye, they look perfectly round. And that illusion is no accident. 2. The shape tells the story of their birth. A planet's roundness isn't just about beauty, it tells us about how it formed. In the early solar system, dust and gas clumped together under gravity, colliding and merging into larger and larger masses. These collisions caused intense heat, melting the interiors of young planets and allowing them to reshape under pressure. Roundness, then, is a signal that a planet went through this fiery process of birth and transformation. 1. Roundness may affect time itself. Here's where things get truly wild. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, mass warps spacetime. A planet's round shape distributes its mass evenly, creating a more stable gravitational field. In extreme cases, like with black holes, the shape and distribution of mass can bend time itself. While planets don't bend time noticeably, their roundness helps maintain orbital harmony in the solar system. In short, the shape of a planet influences how time flows around it. Think about that. Your clock ticks the way it does in part because of Earth's shape. From the ancient stargazers who saw divine perfection in the heavens, to modern physicists using math to explain the cosmos, the roundness of planets continues to amaze us. It's not just a coincidence, it's the signature of cosmic balance. Let us know in the comments. Which planet do you think is the most fascinating in shape, and why? And if you love exploring the strange beauty behind the ordinary, hit subscribe to Lies and Legends, because the universe is always more perfect than it seems.